Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video I'm going to show you how to take some funny pictures for your backdrops in the Beatbox machine project. So first thing you're going to do, you're going to get rid of Scratch Cap. You actually don't need any sprites for this. Everything we're going to do is going to be in the stage for this project. So we're actually, to take these pictures, we're going to go to the backdrops section in here, and we're going to use the camera that is right here. Now notice that camera does not exist on these tools, but it only exists in the backdrops tab. So make sure you go up here. So once you click on this camera, it's going to ask for permission, and then it's going to pull up a picture of you. Now, right now I'm using the camera, so that way I can record it for this video, so you can't see me in here. However, you should be able to see yourself in yours. So you're going to click this button to take the photo, and then you can either retake it or you can save it. And once you save it, you're going to have a picture of yourself, hopefully making a funny face. So for example, you might have taken a picture and it looks something like this. So next you're actually going to take more than one photo, so at least 4. So just like this. So you'll have at least 4 pictures in here for your backdrop of yourself or yourself and some friends making some funny faces for your Beatbox machine project. So just a quick recap, no sprites for this one. You go to your stage, the backdrops tab, and then simply click on the camera to take some photos for your project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.